Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about pronouns. Definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun to avoid repeating the noun. Examples: I, you, he, it, we, she, they, this, those, who, mine. Example in a sentence: Ria is a student. She studies every day. Here she is a pronoun because it replaces the noun Ria. 1. Personal pronoun replaces the name of a person or thing. Example: They are playing football. 2. Reflexive pronoun. The action comes back to the subject. Example: She taught herself to play the guitar. 3. Emphatic pronoun gives emphasis to the subject. Example: The teacher herself checked all the papers. 4. Reciprocal pronoun shows a mutual relationship. Example: The two friends help each other. 5. Demonstrative pronoun points to specific people or things. Example: These are my favorite books. 6. Interrogative pronoun used to ask questions. Example: Which do you prefer? 7. Indefinite pronoun refers to non-specific people or things. Example: Everyone enjoyed the movie. 8. Distributive pronoun refers to people or things one at a time. Example: Neither was ready for the test. 9. Relative pronoun connects a clause to a noun. Example: The girl who won the race is my sister. 10. Possessive pronoun shows ownership. Example: That blue backpack is ours.